The title is Henry and Dad Go Camping. Dad put up the tent. Henry hurried to pump up the beds. Dad was sleepy, but Henry gazed up at the stars. Then Henry sat up, surprised. What was that hissing sound? Henry poked his dad and woke him up. "What's hissing?" Dad asked. "It's creepy," said Henry. "It must be snakes." "Snakes?" asked Dad. "Maybe." Dad shined a light toward the grass. "I can see something that's long and thin like a snake," Dad said. "Is it hissing?" asked Henry. "No," Dad said. "It's not hissing. It's just a rope." "The hissing hasn't stopped. What can it be?" Henry asked. Dad flashed the light inside the tent. "Look at your bed, Henry," said Dad. "It's getting as flat as a pancake. Your leaky bed is hissing, not snakes." Henry felt silly, but safe. He felt sleepy, too. He went to sleep as his flat bed hissed its last hiss.